Almost all sport requires special equipment and clothing. Look, here's Tom. He's a footballer. He needs to get ready to practice with his team. So what does he need? He needs shorts, a t-shirt, not that one, his team t-shirt. He needs long socks, but he doesn't need knee pads or a cap, and he can't play without a ball. Enjoy the match, Tom. Oh, look, here's Jill. She plays tennis, so to go and practice now, she needs socks and tennis shoes, white shorts, a t-shirt and a racket. Oh, and she can't play without a net. Here's Tony. He's a baseball player. And look! He has a face mask, shoulder pads, and a long bat. Where's the ball? Oh, here it is, in his hand, in the baseball glove. Does he have a helmet? No, he has a baseball cap. So what sport can you play with a racket? You can't play cricket or baseball, they need a bat. But you can play tennis. In which sports can you use a ball? You can use a ball in football, baseball, rugby, basketball and volleyball, but you can't use a ball in skateboarding. What can the players wear in baseball? They can wear a cap or a helmet, a face mask and special gloves. They can wear shoulder pads, but they can't wear knee pads.